Here's the setup on the mower. 425 with a 54-inch deck. I have the belt guards off. But anyway, it's all of the pulleys look good. I don't see any bends or flares, and the angles on the belt are, you know, this is a PTO driven tractor. You can see the PTO right there, which goes into this this gearbox right here, which has a drive pulley on it. And so there's not, you know, it's not an extremely long belt, and all the pulleys look good. I keep them greased and they're free turning. I think all the pulley, the idler pulley and the tension pulley, they're all they all turn okay. Let's say they seem to be tracking straight. So I was just about to pull this spring off of here and noticed that a bolt is loose on the carrier for the drive, for the gearbox. This bolt right here is loose. I just noticed this, so that could be the problem or could contribute to the problem. So I'm gonna take this deck off and tighten this up and see what else may be loose on this thing. I'm gonna video the process of taking this deck off. It's not bad to take off. It's a little bit of a hassle, but it's not terrible. It's not as bad as the 60-inch deck, which weighs a ton. But you just turn these little guide wheels around, and you might want to mark, see how many holes are showing before you do this, because it's gonna, when you go to put it back, you're gonna wonder how you have it. Like this. You might have to crank the mower up and pick this deck up. Like I say, this deck is not incredibly heavy. So I got two holes there. Forget what order, I guess it doesn't really matter. There's an arm right here. Pull this pin out and just come down. And that just unhooks from the deck. And this thing comes out. So leave it right there. And then there's two little J-hooks right here. Pull those out. Now, what I usually do is I'm going to jack this mower up so I can get the jack up. So now that the mower is up, all you have to do, oh yeah, I gotta take the PTO bolt. PTO. Gotten the PTO around. You're supposed to be able to take the PTO off on the other end, but I'll have better luck with this. Alright, that's out. The thing you have to be careful with is that there is a pin. Alright. Now, get this And then here's where the key goes. See the slot on it. It's on the other side. So I'll pull it out. It's just a little half moon shaped key. So we'll want to make sure we don't lose that. So I'm going to put that in the bolt.
Because on a sign that only said 2 people. Hey, worker. We're supposed to put the house right there. We're supposed to put the wall. Yeah. But we've got to break down the structure. Okay, now it says.
Alright, so here's the deck. Pulley system with the spring, which has a little bitty hook right here. And it goes to this tensioner arm. And that pulls the deck. The belt's not in bad shape. But it looks like this bolt is loose. So we're going to tighten that up. Alright, so let's go ahead and take the spring off the deck. And the way I'm going to do that is to use this little spring puller. It's a really nifty tool that allows you to pull the spring off. And I got it at Northern Tool for like $7.
It's top run time. Booyah! Mario! Boom!
And just grab the little hook, grab the spring. Easy as that. Easy as that. So here's the old spring. That's a little loose. It's not as stiff. I don't know. I actually bought a heavier duty spring that goes on a 355 mower, John Deere mower, and I'll show you the comparison between the two springs when I go to put it back on.
Oh, yeah!